Happy New Year, Deronda here with Foods 101. I'm getting you ready with your lucky black-eyed peas, vegetarian style. You're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced, 2 cups of dried black-eyed peas. We're gonna sort and rinse these. I'll show you how to do it here in a minute. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large onion that I'm gonna mince, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, along with 8 cups of water in an 8-quart saucepan. Back over here to the black-eyed peas. You're gonna pour them out here on a large countertop. We're gonna go through them to make sure we have no foreign objects. Just take your time. After going through all my black-eyed peas, this is the only flawed pieces I found, but sometimes you can find rocks, so be sure you check very closely. I've added all my black-eyed peas to a sieve, and we're gonna rinse this under fresh, running, cool water for about 1 minute. You want to make sure you clean all your black-eyed peas. Add your black-eyed peas to your 8 cups of cool water. Always start with cool water before cooking your black-eyed peas. Add your garlic. Bring to a boil on high heat. Once your black-eyed peas come to a boil, we're going to cover and turn down your heat to simmer for 1 hour. Use your timer and no peeking. Don't lift up that lid. About 15 minutes before our black-eyed peas have finished cooking their first round off the onion, you're just going to peel back that first layer there. Going to make slices and just start chopping down. Be careful when using a knife. Keep your fingers away from it. In a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add our olive oil, all 2 tablespoons, along with your entire minced chopped onion. You see how fine that is on that onion? That's what you're looking for. We're going to saute this for 15 minutes and continue to stir. If your onions are cooking too fast, you can turn your onions down to low or simmer. 1 hour is up. Woo! On our sauteed black-eyed peas, and look how fabulous those are. Oh my yums. Add the thyme, your salt and pepper, and then we're going to add those sauteed onions. Make sure you get them all in there. Get those onions off that wooden spoon. Give it a lovely little stirring until you get your onions well incorporated with your black-eyed peas. And then we're going to cover it once again and continuing simmering for 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the tenderness that you like on your black-eyed peas. Let's check out those black-eyed peas, and whoo, here we go. Those look fabulous. Still nice and warm. Okay, let's dig in here. Those little minced onions in it, that's gonna give it some powerful flavor. Perfect. Season it the way you like. Delicious vegetarian black-eyed peas. Wishing you a fantastic new year. Thanks a million for watching. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. And let me tell you, this makes a lot of black-eyed peas. Share with your family and friends. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people next year.